Dialogue 3-2A. Commenting on family members in a photo. From page 9. We are working on only the first 6 lines here. In this situation, Lee-san is looking at the photo of Nakano-san's mother. Nakano-san says, pointing to a woman in the photo, これが母です. This is my mother. Lee-san comments, へえ、若くて優しそうなお母さんですね. One more time. もう一度。へえ、若くて優しそうなお母さんですね. When you make a compliment, you use ne at the end of the sentence. So, へえ、若くて優しそうなお母さんですね. A young and kind-looking mother, isn't she? Okay, this sentence, へえ、若くて優しそうなお母さんですね, has some grammar element. So let's work on each. First, when you combine 2 or more adjectives, you have to use a type of glue in between, right? So there are 2 types of glue, remember? One is くて, the other one is で. When the first adjective is e adjective, you use くて. When the first adjective is not adjective, you use で. In this case, 若い is a e adjective, so e drops and then you use くて. So 若くて優しい. So young and kind. However, e disappears here. Why? That is because after adjective, you use そうな. そうな means something has an appearance of, or it has an impression of. So, Lee-san doesn't know Nakano-san's mother yet, but she looks kind. She is kind looking. So if you say kind looking, you use そうな. Then you use only the main part of the adjective. So this is 優しい e adjective. So e drops and the main part 優しい. Stem 優しい. 優しい remains here. So 優しそうな. All together 優しそうな. Not 優しそうな. No. 優しそうな. 優しそうな kind looking お母さんですね. So please read more about そうな. How to use そうな on grammar note number 5 from page 3. Nakano-san responds, いいえ、全然. Not at all. This is one way of responding to a compliment. Lee-san answers, いや、若いですよ. No, she's young. そうですか? Oh, really? That's another way of responding to the compliment. And then you can go further by kind of denying outright. でもうるさいんですよ. So she laughs, so maybe she half jokingly said this. So でもうるさいんですよ. But she's annoying. So we will learn once again how to make a compliment and how to respond to a compliment in a Japanese way using a separate PowerPoint slide page later on, okay? So please just read core expression number 4 and core expression number 5 from page 9 for now. Lee-san responds, そうですか and she laughs. 中野さん、お母さんに似てますね. So she's laughing. That means maybe she also jokingly said this. Nakano-san, you look like your mother. So you put the person here, for example, お母さん, your mother, and then に似てます. You look like someone. So that's the expression. So if somebody says to me, お母さんに似てますね. 先生、お母さんに似てますね. Well, that's not a compliment to me because my mother is 90 years old and Yeah, I'm still in my 50s. So, somebody say, お母さんに似てますね. Oh, that's definitely not a compliment. But if you have a beautiful mother and if you are beautiful and then somebody said, お母さんに似てますね. That can be a compliment, right? So, the point is, please be careful when to use に似てますね. Because to some person, you look like somebody. It may not be necessarily a compliment. If you use a, good-looking actor or actress, then you say, に似てますね. For example, you look like Tom Cruise. Tom Cruise に似てますね. Then that might be a compliment. But if you don't want to look like an old actor, then that is definitely not a compliment. Alright,